Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll be exploring an exciting web application that analyzes data from the Olympics. So we've developed this web app using Python's Flask framework and Plotly for data visualization. So let's dive right into the video and let's discuss about the features and functionalities that our site offers. This web app starts with a user-friendly homepage where visitors can get a glimpse of what all our site is all about. So here we have included information about the Olympics and a cell to action to explore app further. So this is basically how the homepage looks. We have medal tally, we have analyze country options, we have athlete analysis, we have overall analysis. Also we have this navbar where the users can interact with the website in a easy way. So we have news section, quiz section, chat room, players, highlights, contact us, etc. on our website. So we'll be exploring these features one by one in our video further. Further, we have a highlights page also for users to interact with us in a visual way. So in this page, it is basically divided into two sections. On the left, we have the main video player, and on the right, there is a playlist of our favorite Olympic moments that awaits you. The main video player showcases an inspiring Olympic clips from the history, or that the event, the highlight moments that occurred in the event. So the main video player is showcasing an Olympic clips. Each entry displays a thumbnail, title, duration. With a simple click, users can just go to that particular moment where that highlight occurred. So this is an example how it will take place. So for example, if I want to see the Neymar penalty, which was an amazing penalty, I can just click on this Neymar penalty button here, or the highlight here, and we could directly jump to this Neymar penalty thing. It is of 2 minutes and 10 seconds, and here we go. Our news section is a user-friendly web application that keeps users informed with the latest news. It leverages the news API to fetch the sports news by the default, but users can easily search whatever news they want to search. So for example, if I want to search about any topic or a certain hot news that is currently going on, I can do that by going to the search option here. Once the search is performed, the app dynamically loads and displays the news articles in an eye-catching grid layout. Each article contains a captivating image and a title and a concise description of entire article, so you don't need to read hours and hours for relying on the news websites. Then this page, we have also added the quiz option. So quiz option, it is a simple quiz option. It is basically to interact with the users in a more friendly way. So users can come on this website on this quiz section and have competitions between each others, like how many quizzes you got right or wrong, and we can also discuss it later in the chat room on this quiz. So yes, this is the quiz section. So as you can see, it takes input as 10 questions and gives you right or wrong answer. After the 10 questions, you have answered all the 10 questions. It gives you the final score that you have achieved. So it is basically a fun app feature that we like to add in our website. Next feature that our website offers is the player section. So suppose a coach wants to analyze a player or wants to look at what all the achievements he has, or even if the fans want to look at their country's player achievements, so they can come to this page. They can enter their country. So for suppose I enter United States of America, and then I entered the sport name. Here it is select sports, and I will enter swimming here. So here is the list of all the swimming athletes that are present in the USA or that have been representing the country in the USA. So now I will go to this athlete named Michael Phelps. So this is the athlete that has won the most gold medals in the history, that is 8. So we can here look at his all his achievements and all the medals he have achieved, his biography, his featured content here, etc., etc. So this is also one great feature that our website offers. The next major feature that our website offers is the chat room. So this is our chat room web page looks like. So here we can add a name. So we can add a name, and then there is a room code option. So what we'll do is we will assign a room code for every specific event that is happening in the Olympics. So for example, 20 events are happening, so we will assign 20 room codes to the users to join. So then if you don't have a room, we can also create a room. So when you click on create a room, there is a message box and appears that is there, so we can chat with all other users that are there. So this is the feature that we added to make the website more interactive and more fun for users. So as this feature also offers a social impact for our Indian athletes. So yeah, as you all know, there is a very poor condition that our Indian athletes face. There are many financial conditions that they face. So our initiative is that when the users will enter the chat, they can also give a super chat, and that super chat amount will directly go to the Indian athletes bank account. So they will get a financial support not only from the country but from the people of the country also. So that's a unique feature that we have added. We can also choose the color of the chat. We can enter the amount. It will ask you for your email ID, your UPI ID, and etc. And then you can send the super chat. Now coming on to the analysis part of our website, we have divided this analysis section into 4 categories. The first category is medal tally, in which we have analyzed the countries in the terms of medals won by them. We also offer Summer Olympics edition or the performance of all the countries in a specific edition. The second category is the country-wise analysis of the Olympics, in which we can view the top 10 athletes of a country in the Olympic history. We also have a line chart that shows medals won by the country in each Olympic edition. We also provide you the heat map or heat chart that shows the number of participations of a country in a particular sport in each Olympic edition. In the third category is the athlete-wise analysis, in which we can analyze medals won by the male and the female athletes for the basics of their height and weight in a particular sport with the help of a scalar plot. Then we can also analyze the medals won by the athletes against their age with the help of a probability distribution curve, which is interactive and curved with the respect of the type of the medal. The last category is we have the overall analysis of the Olympics. It starts off with some basic insights about the historical data of the Olympics, like total sports events conducted, total editions, etc. Then lastly, we have a heat chart that shows the number of events of all the sports held in each and every Olympic edition. So this analysis part is basically for the coaches of the specific team, if they want to analyze the opponent before the match, or any further analysis part that they do that help them win the match. So this is for them. Also, users can also access this. They can also prepare the strategies for their teammates. So this is the feature. There you have it. This is our Olympic website, and we are thrilled to share this website with you. Whether you are a sports enthusiast, a coach, or just a common user who wants to engage with a good community and have some fun activities, this web app has something for everyone. So if you haven't already, go check out the website. The link to it is in the description below, and make sure to subscribe the channel and share the video. So thank you.